Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I've got a carded coin from the Pobjoy Mint. As you can see on the top here, it says Emperor Penguin. If we go over to the rear of the card, you may need to just take us in a little bit. There we go. And I'll get my pointy stick. It's a Cooper nickel coin. The weight is 8 grams. Dimension is 27.3, and there is 1950 of these coins minted for circulation in this format. We have the King Charles the Third portrait. And this coin is from the British Antarctic Territories, and there's the signature of the guy that released it, and there's the signature of the Pobjoy Mint. If we have a look at the actual coin itself, let's get down as far as we can. There we go. We have across the top, we have the name of the penguin, which is the Emperor Penguin. We then have two penguins together. I don't know if they're a mating couple or something. Let me just have a quick look. No, they're just standing there to attention, like good penguins do. And on the bottom there, it's just got 50p in text. So, are we in for another penguin series, this time from the British Antarctic Territories? Well, I don't know, but it's always nice to see animals on coins, and penguins have become a favourite of coin collectors over the last 4 or 5 years. We've had the ones from the Falklands, we've had ones from I think it's South Sandwich Islands, so we've had a few of them in the past, and this Emperor Penguin has been seen on many coins. Now, the thing is, do you think that the coin collecting world has got room for another set of penguins? I'm sure if you ask Pocket Poet, or Christina as we know her, or even Callie at Caledonian Coins, I think you'll find that they will love these sort of coins. They seem to always enjoy them, and I can't blame them. It's a nice enough coin, and wouldn't you love to see this sort of thing in circulation in the UK? Commemorative coins. So that's my review of this coin. What do you think of it? I actually like it, and I'm always glad to have these sort of coins in my collection. So, what do you think? Tell me down in the comments below. Would you think of having a set of penguins, another set of penguins coins, or would you consider this in your first set, or would you want coloured versions? I'm not sure whether there is a coloured version of this or not. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins like I've done here, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I am trying to boost my subscribers again this year. I'm up to around about 173 or something like that. I'm aiming for trying to get 250 by the end of the year. And to do that, I'd need your help. So if you believe I deserve your subscription, please subscribe. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up and think about subscribing. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.